Did you know that April 16th was National Day of the Mushroom? Well, it is, and to celebrate, we're in the Great Day Kitchen cooking them up in a meatless Monday dish. Mushrooms are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, essential for healthy bones and teeth. Well, who knew? That was some fun trivia about America's favorite fungus, and it's all in honor of the Day of the Mushroom, here to show us how to transform these beautiful things, because they're, I don't want to say fungus again, but they are fungus.
I'm trying to avoid it.
Into flavorful, fun, and even healthy recipes is award-winning chef, author, TV personality Amy Riolo. Welcome back to Great Day.
Thank you so much, Raquel. It's great to see you again.
It's great to see you too. You always bring healthy recipes, not just really good food.
Well, you know, we're really in a crisis because about half of all Americans either have diabetes or pre-diabetes. So everybody can benefit from a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. And as you were saying, it's always great to eat healthfully anyway. So I thought let's bring in some healthy and delicious things.
Now tell us about mushrooms in particular. We just learned they're rich in vitamin D. What else do they do?
So they have no cholesterol, they have no fat, very low in carbs, and they're a really good source of lean protein. So anybody wanting to build muscle, you know, get rid of fat, mushrooms are a good way to go. And they have a lot of flavor, and as you can see, they're very versatile, so we can use them in a lot of different dishes.
All of these mushroom dishes are from the same mushroom, or are there different varieties of mushrooms?
No, they're different. I use a little bit of shiitake, a little bit of portobello, a little bit of baby whites. You know, there are 140,000 different types of mushrooms out there.
140,000 different types of mushrooms?
Them all.
Well, that means that's 140,000 different types of recipes we can do.
Exactly.
All of my diabetics watching, whether you're a senior or you have childhood diabetes, there's something for you in this kitchen.
Exactly.
What are you making for us today?
So we're going to make crab stuffed mushrooms. This is a really fun little appetizer, main dish. I did baby ones, so they would be a cute little appetizer, but people could use a big portobello and make it like a main.
This is perfect for our Marylanders. We love our crab.
That's what I figured. You know, we're coming up in the spring. So I've got some crab here, and I added a little bit of lobster just to make it special for you. I wanted to upgrade it a little bit. And we have some crushed whole wheat crackers here. So I'm just going to add these in. Whole wheat, much better for anybody interested in health.
Wheat is always better than white, right? Yes, I'm always reading that.
Parsley? Processed. Parsley has a lot of vitamin C in it, great detoxifier. And then for color and flavor, we've got red peppers. You know, a lot of people don't know red peppers have more vitamin C than an orange.
Really?
So it's really good if you're trying to get more vitamin C. Red peppers are a great thing for you. I've got some onion chopped, and then I'm just going to give this a stir.
Okay,
and if you want to drizzle, and I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on there when you're stirring.
Yeah, I'll help you do that.
That makes it a little bit easier.
This is so beautiful. I see your red peppers look very soft, so they're not pan fried when they get a little crunchy and hard.
Oh, you can use crunchy. You can use whatever you like.
Okay.
Sure. You can use the pimento. You can use something a little bit more, you know, spicy. Give it a kick. Whatever you like.
That red means vitamin C.
Exactly.
Okay.
We love our red vegetables. Good for blood. Good for heart health. And then I've got some already mixed up right here.
Perfect.
So we can switch over there. I'm going to show you how we actually stuff the mushroom. So people at home, if they're doing a big mushroom, you just want to cut off the base and then take this little guy and scoop out if there's any gills. These little baby ones don't have too much to worry about, so we can just kind of use them. And then we're just going to put some of the filling right in the center like this.
Beautiful.
And I'll have you do some.
This will be a great appetizer if you're throwing a party, having a baby shower or a wedding shower.
You know, there's so many things coming up, graduations, and people want to have picnics.
Keep your guests healthy.
That's right. And then this is a secret little thing on top. I'm going to put some wheat germ. So are you familiar with wheat germ?
No.
It's kind of one of the things we don't hear about that much anymore, but it's just the heart of the wheat berry, and it has tons of fiber in it. So fiber is really good for us, especially people with diabetes. Fiber is great because, you know, it's really good for preventing cancer and heart disease and things like that. But also the fiber in it, when people who have diabetes eat it with carbohydrates, it slows the absorption of sugar. So it's really important, and it helps for that insulin, to maintain even insulin levels in their body.
I know you're passionate about this because your mother was diagnosed with diabetes as a teenager, and you would make some of these recipes in this book here.
Of course. So I have many books I've done with the American Diabetes Association, and this quick Diabetic Recipes is the new one, and it's fun because it's got over 150 recipes in it, all kinds of cuisine, Italian, American, French, Asian, and really it's a great resource for people who want to know about portion control, you know, how many carbohydrates can I have, what's a starchy vegetable, what's a non-starchy vegetable, all the basics. They take the guesswork out of it, and it's just a good resource. course.
Well, thank you for bringing all these beautiful pasta dishes on the day of the mushrooms,
You're welcome.
Amy. Make sure you check out the book. It's in conjunction with the American Diabetes Association,
Correct.
right? And Amy knows her stuff because I've tasted her food many a time.
Oh, speaking of which,
I'm expecting
you got your fork
some
over
pasta.
there,
Oh,
so-
okay.
See, I made the baby one so you can just pop it in. I'll talk while you eat.
Okay, well, we'll
And,
be right back while I eat this wonderful fibrous fungus.